In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive all files. We'll walk through this on the Google Drive mobile app so you can quickly grab everything from a folder and store it on your phone or tablet. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, you have a stable internet connection, and there's enough free storage on your device for the files you're about to save. Large folders can take a while, so Wi-Fi is recommended. Start by launching the Google Drive app on your device. Give it a second to sync if you haven't opened it in a while. From the main screen, navigate to the folder that contains the files you want. Opening the folder first is important because the app's selection tools work on whatever you're currently viewing. Once you're inside that folder, press and hold on any one file. This long press switches Drive into selection mode, and you'll see a check mark appear on the file you touched. You can tap additional items if you want, but we're going to select everything at once in the next step. Look to the top right corner of the screen for the Select All icon. It looks like a small square with a dotted border. Tap it, and every file in the folder will be highlighted. This is a quick way to include documents, photos, videos, and any other file types without tapping them one by one. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure you're still in selection mode after your long press. With everything selected, tap the three-dot menu in the top right. On Android, choose Download. Drive will begin saving the files to your device. You'll usually see a progress indicator in your notification area, and when it finishes, the files will be available in your device's Downloads folder or your default download location. Keep the app in the foreground for large batches to help it complete smoothly. On iPhone or iPad, tap the same three-dot menu, choose Open In, and then select Save to Files. Pick a destination, such as on my iPhone or a folder in iCloud Drive, and confirm. The Files app will handle the save, and you'll see a brief progress indicator before everything appears in the location you chose. A few quick tips to finish. Ensure you have enough storage before starting, especially for videos. Keep your device awake and connected during big transfers. And remember that shared files respect the owner's permissions, so the download option may be unavailable for restricted items. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable for getting all your Google Drive files onto your device.